There is a difference between movement and meaning, between performing and owning the stage.
Tonight, that difference becomes clear because what you're about to witness is not just mere choreography.
It is intention, discipline, and presence coming together in its most refined form.
And in that refinement, something changes. The stage is no longer just a space.
It becomes a canvas where every movement carries purpose.
And at every moment holds weight, making it impossible to look away.
This is not just about what is seen.
In classical dance, nritta is pure movement, abstract, intricate, and rooted entirely in rhythm.
And with gathered everyone here this evening, the stage begins to take shape.
And the lights come up, and the music begins.
And with that, this is where we begin tonight.
Welcome to
Nritta
2026.
लास्यविलसिता नवनाट्यदेवता नटनाङ्किता अभिनयव्रतचारुधीरचरिता स्वागताञ्जलि स्वागताञ्जलि झडन झडन नूपुराणि स्वागताञ्जलि ओ चन्द्रमुखी नीकिरे स्वागताञ्जलि పదము పదముగా హృదయలయలుగా ప్రకృతి పురుషులే పరవశించగా ప్రణవము వినుతించిన నాట్యం నయన మధురమై నటన సదనమై నరనరాలలో నాదభరితమై నవజీవన రసమయ లాస్యం నీపై ధ్యాస నాయన ఘోష సాగిన ముసల గుస 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 గుస
Tom tanana dhirena dhirena Tom tanana dhirena dhirena Tom tanana dhirena dhirena Tom tanana dhirena dhirena Udana dhim tadana dhim tana dhirena Udana dhim tadana dhim tana dhirena Dhim tano 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 tadhirena Dhim tano 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 tadhirena Tom tanana dhirena dhirena Tom tanana
ధీంత ధీంతన తనన ధీంత ధీంత ధీంతన తనన ధీంత ధీంత ధీంతన ధీంతన
వయసు జాలమో బలేదురా మరులుగున్న చిన్న దానిరా అనువు బాధ తీర్చరావెరా రావెరా
கருவில் இருந்தோம் கவலையின்றி மூடி கிடந்தோம் ஓம் கரையில் விழுந்தோம் விழுந்தவுடன் கண் தூக்கம் தொலைத்தோம் அப்போது அப்போது போன தூக்கம் என் கண்களிலே எப்போது எப்போது வந்து சேரும் விடை தோணலையே அலைகளை அலைகளை பிடித்துக் கொண்டு அலைகளை அடைந்தவர் யாரும் இல்லை தனிமையில் தனிமையில் தவித்துக் கொண்டு சௌக்கியம் அடைவது நியாயம் இல்லை அவனைக்கு மருந்தின்ற ராஜதவம் தண்ணி கூட போதையின் மறுவடிவம் வழியது வாழ்க்கையது விளங்கவில்லை வட்டத்துக்கு தொடக்கமும் முடிவும் இல்லை
That was a powerful beginning. A performance rooted in precision and rhythm, setting the tone for everything that is to follow.
And as we move further into this evening, we now invite Sharon Rose and Jezreel Maria Jane, the heads of the Literary and Oratory Committee, to deliver the welcome address.
Good evening, everybody. Some nights are planned and some nights are waited for. I'm Sharon Rose,
And I'm Jezreel Maria Jane.
and we are truly glad to be sharing this moment with all of you. This is one of those evenings we've all been waiting for, because what you're about to witness is not just an event. It's a month of work, energy, and anticipation finally coming together. It's early mornings that started too soon, nights that stretched a little too long, and countless moments where perfection was chased, lost, but found again. Tonight we gather to celebrate Nrita 2026, our biggest flagship event of the year, and truly the one we've all been waiting for. And on an occasion like this, it is our privilege to welcome those who continue to guide and support us. We cordially welcome our esteemed dignitaries. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Father Joseph Sisi, Director and Dean, Dr. Father Lijah Thomas, Academic Coordinator, Father Justin P. Verghese, respected Chief Guest, Mr. Narasimhamurthy, the CEO of Lavasa, Mr. Pendarkar and Mrs. Pendarkar, Associate Dean, Dr. Parameshwaran S., SW Officer, Ms. Pretty Jane, Deputy SW Officer, Ms. J. Kiss Thomas, Dance Coordinator, Mr. Bharat A. Manoj, and the entire Student Welfare Office, our respected faculty coordinators and faculty members, beloved students, and every single person here. A very warm welcome to Nrita 2026. Your presence here today turns this from a performance into a shared celebration. For the past month, what you see today has been quietly taking shape. In practice rooms, on empty stages, in late night discussions, and in moments where giving up would have been easier than continuing. The dancers you're about to watch, the teams working behind the scenes, and every individual involved has poured in their time, their energy, and a lot of heart into this night.
There were moments of exhaustion, there were moments of frustration, and there were definitely moments when one correction felt like too much. But through all of that, one thing stayed constant: the decision to keep going. to show up again the next day, to try again even when it didn't feel perfect, and to believe that it would all come together just like this. Because nights like these don't just happen, they are built step by step, rehearsal by rehearsal, and person by person. Tonight, this stage stands ready, and the lights have chosen their dancers. What you are about to witness is not just a performance, it is discipline, resilience, passion, and expression coming together in its most beautiful form. Every movement you see, every formation, every transition carries with it a story of effort that brought us all to this moment. To each one of you present here, thank you for being a part of this evening. On behalf of every head, every member, and everyone who has worked tirelessly as part of the Student Welfare Office, it is truly an honor to welcome you all to Nritta 2026. This stage, this energy, and this moment, it belongs to every person who made it possible. And in its own way, it's a celebration of everything that brought us here, of effort, of passion, and of showing up, even when it wasn't easy. And while this is just the beginning, we promise you, what lies ahead only gets more unforgettable. So stay with us through every beat and every moment, and every single story that unfolds on this stage, because you wouldn't want to miss what we've created for you. Welcome once again to Nritta 2026.
It is now our honor to invite a distinguished presence whose experience and insight span across industries and leadership roles.
Our chief guest, Mr. Narasimha Murthy, is the head of Risk and Compliance India at John Deere Financial and also serves as the chief risk officer. With a diverse professional journey spanning the pharmaceutical and financial sectors, he began his career as a product specialist before pursuing an MBA in finance.
He has held significant roles across organizations such as ICICI Bank, Tata AIG Life Insurance, and Tata Motors Finance, building extensive expertise in risk management, compliance, and governance. Having been a part of John Deere Financial since its inception, he has played a key role in establishing processes and driving digital transformation within the organization.
Beyond his professional work, he is a member of the Harvard Business Review Advisory Council, a former panelist with MIT Technology Review, and actively mentors academia on industry and innovation.
We are truly honored to have him with us this evening.
We now invite Mr. Narasimha Murthy to address the gathering.
Good evening. Thanks for the introduction. It's always loud to know, or a refresher to know the background, where we come from. We get so much busy in the lives. So if somebody says something good, especially for a risk professional, something good sounds more good, right? So we always look for who speaks something good about us. So thanks for a wonderful welcome, and thanks for the invite to the Christ University, to the Vice Chancellor, Director, rest of all the faculty members, especially Mr. Shankar. He is after me. I know him for quite a long time, but he said I need to be here for this time. So thanks a lot. Before I start, I just have a point to make. I think this event is happening in Pune also day after tomorrow. Now, any reason why I'm here is, okay, to give a reason, the event which is happening in Pune, that is Symbiosis International School, and my residence, we share the same compound wall. Okay, like I could have just walked down and get into that room. I thought, let me come here and see that vibration, see that energy coming from the students, and spend more and more time. So thanks for the invite, and yeah, my family is equally very curious. The reason being, my 28 years, I am into more of a board meetings or a industry academia relationships, addressing students. This is the first time I'm invited for a cultural event. So not only you are curious, even my family is also curious, what am I going to do evening here. So I just add only one point to all the students. The dance or the program, whatever you are doing, it is very closely linked to your management sessions also. Like, it is more about synchronization, what we call, in your language, in our college, we call as a trust. Okay, so whatever you're developing here, synchronization or act, okay, it is going to help you in a long way in your day-to-day careers, and please ensure that it's carried forward. Okay, so without taking much of your time, even I want to enjoy the evening for the first time sitting other side. So thanks for the invite once again, and wonderful evening. Thank you, and thanks for the organizers. Not an easy job. Yeah, thank you all.
Every stage holds more than what is seen. There are presences that shape it, often from beyond it, guiding, observing, and contributing in ways that go unnoticed, yet remain integral to everything that unfolds here. And tonight, that presence takes a different form, one that steps beyond its usual space, where roles are set aside and expression takes center stage. Please put your hands together and welcome our faculty.
जिगटा देखा जो तुझे यार दिल में बजी गिटार हल्का आंखों से प्यार दिल में बजी गिटार आओ रहा कैसा ये नशा रे आओ रहा जीने का मजा रे अरे रे रे मैं तो गया रे दिल भी गया रे अरे रे रे मैं तो गया रे दिल भी गया रे अरे रे रे मैं तो गया रे दिल भी गया रे अरे रे रे मैं तो गया रे दिल भी गया रे देख हिम्मत से नाचो थिरक थिरक यारो धरती हिला दो थिरक थिरक रे माटी का बादल उफक उफक जाए अंबर झुका दो थिरक थिरक रे लड़क भड़क बंदा हो खलक तलक बंदा हो फिकर फिकर जिंदा हो बंदा हो जिंदा हो तबड़ तोड़क बंदा हो पलक तलक बंदा हो सबर शुक्र जिंदा हो बंदा हो जिंदा हो धड़पन रंगारे धड़कन अंगारे तन मन गंगारे जिंदा बंदा हो अरे तन मन गंगारे जिंदा बंदा हो झटपट झूमर घूमर जागर वाले पैरों तले धुआं चले जोना नाचे जोना नाचे अपना रुकना चलने दे झटपट झूमर घूमर जागर वाले
Let's hear it once again for our faculty who truly own the stage with energy and confidence. Okay, so before beginning the next segment, I just want to know, my dance knowledge is, my dance IQ is very low. So can I ask one question to audience, can you tell me what are the forms which they performed in the entry and right now? Can anyone guess? Because the next performance demands energy, so I need the energy. Can anyone guess? I can hear Bharatnatyam. More guesses? Bhangra. Okay, that's coming on the way. Bollywood. Okay. Next. Bhangra is there. Kathak. Kuchipudi. More? Well, I can't hear faculties saying any names or guessing any names. Hip hop, freestyle. Okay. Okay, Bhargam Kali. Okay, so today I gained a lot of knowledge. So let's move to the next segment. So before that, I need energy. So are you ready for the next performance? I can't feel that. I can't feel that vibe. Once again. Are you guys ready? Great. So, Sat Sri Akal Sarenu. Dance. Dance in its many forms carries different energies, and some arrive with a pulse that is impossible to ignore. Rooted in the vibrant culture of Punjab, Bhangra is a celebration of life, spirit, and movement, driven by powerful beats and an energy that fills the entire space, presenting to you electrifying performance.
ਕੇ ਵੇ ਚੱਟੀ ਨਾਗ ਦੀ ਬੱਚੀ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਹਿਰੀ ਨਾ ਹੱਥ ਪਾਲੀ ਲੱਜ ਜਾਣ ਕੇ ਵੇ ਚੱਟੀ ਨਾਗ ਦੀ ਬੱਚੀ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਹਿਰੀ नखरे नहीं करी दे कोई करदा होवे जे प्यार सोहणिया कदर करी दी नखरे नहीं करी दे करदा होवे जे प्यार सोहणिया कदर करी दी नखरे नहीं करी दे ओ किन्ने गेड़े आले तो टोरंटो तक लाए वे मैनू लगे महंगे महंगे फोना ते डाए वे
ਨੱਚਣੀ ਵਾਲੀ ਤਾਕਰਾਂ ਬਣ ਗੋਰੀਏ ਨੀ ਰੈਡੀਆ ਬੰਦੂਖ ਮੇਰੀ ਬੋਲੀ ਪਾਉਣ ਨੂੰ ਹੋ ਨੱਚਣੀ ਚਣੇ ਵਾਲੀ ਤਾਕਰਾਂ ਬਣ ਗੋਰੀਏ ਨੀ ਰੈੜੀਆ ਬੰਦੂਕ ਮੇਰੀ ਬੋਲੀ ਪਾਉਣ ਨੂੰ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਬਣ ਛਾਈ ਬੈਠਿਆਂ ਨੀ ਯਾਰੀਆਂ ਚ ਘਾਟੇ ਵਾਦੇ ਖਾਈ ਬੈਠਿਆਂ ਕਈਆਂ ਦੇ ਘਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਛੱਤ ਪੱਕੀ ਕਰਕੇ ਨੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਾਲੀ ਚੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਪਲਾਈ ਬੈਠਿਆਂ ਆਓ ਸਾਡੀਆਂ ਬਜੋਰੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਂਝੀਆਂ ਕੁੜੇ ਨੀ ਬੰਦ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੀ ਨਕਸਾਨਾ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਓ ਕੱਚੇ ਮਕਾਨਾਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਯਾਰ ਜੱਟ ਦੇ ਜੱਟ ਨਾਲ ਪੱਕੀਆਂ ਜ਼ਬਾਨਾਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਕੱਚੇ ਮਕਾਨਾਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਯਾਰ ਜੱਟ ਦੇ ਜੱਟ ਨਾਲ ਪੱਕੀਆਂ ਜ਼ਬਾਨਾਂ ਕਰਕੇ
ਸਾਹੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੌਲਾ ਬੈਠੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਪੈ ਗਿਆ ਰੌਲਾ
ਦਿਨੇ ਚੰਨਾ ਤੂੰ ਚੰਨ ਵਖਾ ਦੇ ਕੱਟ ਫੇਰ ਤੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਬੋਲਾ
ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਵੀਰ ਕਾਨੀ ਅੱਗੇ ਡੱਕ ਲੈਣੀ ਸੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਵਾਲਾ ਜੱਟ ਥੋੜਾ ਭੋਲਾ ਪੈ ਗਿਆ ਮਿਹਰਬਾਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਮੋਲਾ ਪੈ ਗਿਆ
ਮੇਰੇ ਕੱਲੇ ਜੱਟ ਨੇ ਸੀ ਬੰਦੇ ਚਾਰ ਡੱਕ ਲੈ ਤਾਈਓ ਮੇਰੇ ਪਿੰਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੌਲਾ ਪੈ ਗਿਆ
ਮੇਰੇ ਕੱਲੇ ਜੱਟ ਨੇ ਸੀ ਬੰਦੇ ਚਾਰ ਡੱਕ ਲੈ ਤਾਈਓ ਤੇਰੇ ਪਿੰਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੌਲਾ ਪੈ ਗਿਆ
ਮੇਰੇ ਕੱਲੇ ਜੱਟ ਨੇ ਸੀ ਬੰਦੇ ਚਾਰ ਡੱਕ ਲੈ ਤਾਈਓ ਮੇਰੇ ਪਿੰਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੌਲਾ ਪੈ ਗਿਆ
not a lot, you know. ਮੈਂ ਕਹਿ ਤੇ ਜੁੱਤਾ ਤੇਰੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪੱਕੀਆਂ ਆ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੀ ਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੁੱਤਾ ਪਿਆ ਸ਼ੇਰ ਕਦੀ ਛੇੜੀ ਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕੱਲਾ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਬਗਾਨਾ ਪੁੱਤ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਅੱਜ ਸਾਥ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵੀ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹੋਵੇ ਤੁਝੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਬਾਪੂ ਦੀ ਹੈ ਰੱਬ ਬੱਲਾ ਮੁੱਛ ਹੋਵੇ ਤੀਜਾ ਸਾਲਾ ਏਰੀਏ ਚ ਨਾਮ ਹੋਵੇ ਮੁੱਛ ਹੋਵੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਜਾਨ ਜਾਵੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਯਾਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਕੁਛ ਮੈਂ ਚ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਟਕਿਲਾ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਖਾੜਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਰੇ ਨਾ ਕੰਪੇਰੇ ਨਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਵਾਰੀ ਆਪਦੇ ਸਮਾਨ ਦੀ ਹੈ ਆਪ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਇਹ ਤਾਰ ਹੈ ਹੋਏ ਲੇਟ ਨਾਈਟ ਪਿੱਲੋ ਫਾਈਟ ਟਾਲੀਆਂ ਬਥੇਰੀਆਂ ਮੈਂ ਆਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੜਾਈ ਮੂਰੇ ਟਾਲੀ ਟਾਲੀ ਆਏ ਦਿਨ ਪੁੰਨੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਅੱਗੇ ਨਾ ਗਵਾਵਾ ਰੂੜੀ ਕਿਤੇ ਦਿਵਾਲੀ ਮੁੱਤ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਰਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਸ਼ੇਰ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਜਾਪਦਾ ਪਾਵੇ ਪੈਰ ਸੇ ਚਲੀੜਾ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੁੱਟੂ ਪਿੰਡ ਭੱਲ ਕੇ ਚਾਦਰਾ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਮੁੱਤ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦਾ ਸਿੱਕਾ ਕੋਟਾ ਸੀ ਡਾਲੇ ਰਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਸ਼ਾਪ ਦਾ ਮਾਰ ਖੜ ਕੇ ਜਮਾਨਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਤੱਕਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੁੱਟੂ ਪਿੰਡ ਭੱਲ ਕੇ ਚਾਦਰਾ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਤਰਕ ਹੈ ਯਾਰ ਚ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਰਕ ਹੈ ਰਕਾਨੇ
ਆਜਾ ਆਜਾ ਬੇਬੀ ਡੂ ਯੋਰ ਥਿੰਗ
I'ma do my thing
ਆਜਾ ਆਜਾ ਬੇਬੀ ਡੂ ਯੋਰ ਥਿੰਗ
I'ma do my thing
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਮਾਲ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀ The energy on the stage was constant, yet every sequence felt controlled and precise. Can we hear it once again for them? देवियों और सज्जनों, कृपया अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी कसकर बांध लीजिए because the stage shifts once again. From what we have witnessed, we now move into something more introspective because sometimes dance does more than express. It begins with question. The space we occupy, the roles we fall into, the ease with which we become a part of something larger, often without pausing to ask why. There is certain comfort in sameness, in moving with the crowd, in blending in, where differences soften and individuality quietly fades into the background. But beneath that surface, there is always something more, something unspoken, something waiting to be understood. And it is within that space that this next piece unfolds. We now present to you The Mask.
ആയിരം പുലക്കയ്യും വീശി വരും കാരണോരെ പെരുമയും ഭൂമിയിലെ പുലയോരെ കഥ പറ പുലമകൾ സരസ്വതി നാവിലാണ് കഥ പറ അഴകിയ നസികാളി കുഞ്ഞളരി കുറുമ്പയും ആണിഞ്ചനും കരിമ്പനും കൊച്ചുറുമ്പൻ കാവലനും കട്ടതട്ടി ശാലുഗിരി ഉഴുതിട്ട കഥയിലെ വിത്തെറിഞ്ഞു മുളപ്പിച്ചു ഞാറുനട്ട കഥയിലെ വീഴ്പു കാളിക്കൊട്ട ഒരു പണി അനക്കൊമ്പൻ പുകൾപ്പെട്ട പഴങ്കാല കണികൾ കൊടുക്കും കഥ വെള്ളം കയറും വേലികളിൽ നിന്നെ കൊടി പോലെ കൊന്നു ചുട്ടുപോ കാളിക്കതിരും ചുണ്ടത്തോറും ചിരിക്കഥ തണ്ടിലാണ് തുണക്കഥ അന്നിക്കേറുവാളമേരിക്കുന്ന മുട്ടിപ്പാട്ടുപാടി കിളിയാട്ടി നരിയാട്ടി രാവിളത്തും പോലും കഥ ചില്ലിപ്പുല്ലും കൊച്ചമ്പാന്റെ കള്ളക്കണ്ണും പറിച്ചെറിഞ്ഞില്ല പടി കടന്നു നീ പുല കള്ളിക്കഥ പേരുവയ ഭൂമികളിൽ പല ഭൂമി കൊയിലെടുത്ത് വരുംകാല കാണുന്നൊറ്റ പുലയൊരു പഴങ്കഥ പറ 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 കാലകണ്ഠ വരം വന്ന് വീഴ്ത്താളെറിഞ്ഞു പോന്ന പുലങ്ങത്തൻ പഴങ്കഥ പറ പറ കഥ പറ ആദി ഭഗവാനെ പറ പറ കഥ പറ ഐക്യര കാരണോരെ പറ 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 കഥ പറ 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 കഥ പറ 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 കഥ പറ 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 കഥ പറ
चले ही चले दिए से चले रहे सारी जिंदगी ओ चले ही चले दिए से चले रहे सारी जिंदगी ओ नहीं बुझे नहीं हवा से बुझे रही सारी जिंदगी ओ एक फूंक से लिया सब उड़ गया हुआ वो जो सांस की एक पास थी वो निकल गई जो खराश थी सीने की वो खलिश गई बेकरारियां बीमारियां गई अब तो आओ जान मेरी सो भी जाओ
What we just witnessed lingers not as a conclusion, but as a question, a reflection, because not every story ends in a change and not every choice is visible. Sometimes it feels easier to blend in, to move with what is familiar, to hold on what shields us, even if keeps us unseen. And perhaps in moments like this, that too is a choice, a quiet one, but a real one.
Up next, we have the people who have been everywhere tonight but the stage. They are the ones running around, managing the tiny little chaoses that take place backstage. Now, they're about to step into a new realm, a new space. The only question on all our minds is, are they any good? Well, we're about to find out. Please put your hands together, and they're going to need it, for our SWR heads and subheads.
Student Welfare Office, where energy meets passion and ideas turn into unforgettable experiences. A space filled with excitement, creativity, and endless opportunities. The after movies may show the glamour, the leadership, the seamless coordination, the high energy performances, and the perfectly set stages. It's all looks smooth, vibrant, and full of joy.
को समुंदर तक बिछा है ये बाजार जग चंगा जग चंगा जग चंगा कर डाला नंगा चंगा जग चंगा जग चंगा अरे नंगा अरे नंगा अरे नंगा कर डाला नंगा नंगा कर डाला ये संसार ओ दाऊं दुम 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 दाऊं तक दाऊं दुम 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 दाऊं दाऊं दुम 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 दाऊं तक दाऊं दुम 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 दाऊं दाऊं दुम दाऊं दुम दुम दाऊं दुम दाऊं दाऊं दुम दाऊं दुम दुम दाऊं दाऊं.
The planning, a space filled with ideas, discussions, and decisions, where every detail thought through, every role is defined, and every moment is imagined before it comes to life. This is where confidence takes charge, where vision turns into structured plans, and where a team comes together with common goal to create something unforgettable.
Baby, when I look into your eyes, I can see the stars shining so bright, so like the starry eyes.
Let me hear you shout. Come on.
And then comes the shift. From planning to action, the dry run, where ideas meet reality. What seems perfect on paper suddenly faces questions. Timelines clash, confusion kicks in. Things don't go as planned. And suddenly, everyone is everywhere running, fixing, adjusting. It's messy, it's unpredictable. And then the day arrives. No more rehearsals, no more second chances. No matter the challenges, no matter the chaos we have faced, we are not ready to give up. The energy doesn't drop, it rises, it spreads, it becomes unstoppable until we turn the event into a grand success.
आँख भी जाने का है फड़के मेरी पाई कुंडली में हो जैसे उल्टी दशा आई
लटक मटक सी चलती है भटक ध्यान से देखा धड़क दिल ना छुपा हुआ आया बड़ा संत कहीं का
खतरे की क्यों घंटी लगे गोरी तेरे कानों का झुमका 1, 2, 3, 4 get on the dance floor put the shake come on do it hard show it out hit it the party hit it give me
review meeting will happen first in the minds. The moments where everyone walks with thoughts, opinions, and a long list of complaints against each other. During the review meeting preparations, everyone will be ready to criticize, question, and ready to blame. It feels intense.
मैंने ये इश्क सहरा खली बली हो गया है दिल दुनिया से मेरा खली बली हो गया है दिल खली बली हो गया है दिल दुनिया से मेरा खली बली हो गया है दिल जब से पहना है मैंने ये इश्क सहरा खली बली हो गया है दिल दुनिया से मेरा खली बली हो गया है दिल
But what truly happens in a review meeting? A space where mistakes are not hidden but acknowledged. A place where we pause, understand, analyze, and reflect. A place where making mistake is not failure but the beginning of growth. Because every mistake becomes a step forward. After all, this is the phase of learning.
झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक 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 बेटा.
And in the end, what do we take back? Not just the events, not just the performances, but the memories that stay, the lessons that shape us, and the bonds that last a lifetime. Every late night, every challenges, every small victory becomes a story we carry forward. Through the chaos, through the pressure, the laughter, and the growth, we find something more than just experience. We find people who stand by us, who push us, who lift us when we fall. Because above everything else, SW is defined by its spirit of togetherness. A team where every challenge is shared, every success is celebrated, and no one ever stands alone. And somewhere along this journey, it stopped being just a center. It becomes a family.
Nudge all night, wanna nudge all night. Do you feel alright? Wanna nudge all night.
Dance with me, baby, won't you dance with me all night? Won't you party, party, party? Won't you burn the floor all night?
Nudge all night, wanna nudge all night. Do you feel alright? Wanna nudge all night.
Dance with me, baby, won't you dance with me all night? Won't you party, party, party? Won't you burn the floor all night?
प्यारे प्यारे लम्हों
Ma'am, that was an amazing performance. Can we please have it once more for them? We are truly honored to have with us a guiding presence whose words and vision continue to inspire us. It is a privilege to invite the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Father Joseph C.C., to address the gathering.
Good evening, everyone. I request you to give one more round of applause for this splendid and marvelous performance of our Christites. Mr. Narasimha Murthy, the chief guest of the day, Mr. Sunil Pendarkar, Dr. Father Lijo, Father Justin, Father Joy, respected deans, faculty members, staff members, my dear Christites and well-wishers. What a splendid performance I was just referring to. It's all about color, grace, and perfection. That's what we celebrate today during this Nrita. In fact, we call it Nrita season. We got around 3 or 4 branded cultural performances all throughout the year. Dance performance like this comes at the end of the academic year. Previous to this, music performances in all campuses and also sports and games. Nrita is a season which is coming to a close with Lavasa campus. Actually, it started this year from our Bangalore campus, all 4 campuses completed, and then moved to Delhi NCR campus and concluded today here in Lavasa campus. I was just reflecting on when students were performing on stage, one of our discussions recently, how do you ensure in Christ University students' satisfaction and their happiness? It's not an easy thing to answer. But one of the answers which came in our discussion was nothing but how we ensure student transformation through student engagement in the campus. Student transformation, once they come in as first-year undergraduate students or first-year master's students, how different activities happening in the campus, they're transformed into well-formed students or well-formed individuals. That's what we discussed about, how transformation is happening through their life. Variety of activities like Nrita happens. So today when we are concluding Nrita, it's all about Christ University's legacy. The legacy of student transformation for their growth and development. It's a legacy, I feel, all about the cultural excellence, cultural formation, or let us say the integral formation. We want to tell the world or our students that the cultural formation is integral to education. Unless and until this formation happens through different varieties of activities, whether it's sports or games, your growth will not be holistic or integral. You can look at what happened here on stage, how students coming from different regions of India, coming together in perfection, grace and beauty. That's what we call the cultural formation. Today, as we are concluding the season of Nrita, please remember, in Christ University, we have always believed in integral development, a journey that nurtures the mind, body, and spirit. Our education is not about academic excellence alone, but about shaping individuals who carry with them a strong sense of purpose, multicultural awareness, and unwavering commitment to society's good. Whether in classrooms or on the sports field, in artistic expression like Nrita, or through social engagement, Christites embody a holistic approach to growth that prepares them to be global citizens of competence, compassion, and conscience. Let me also tell you that as we immerse ourselves in this magic of dance tonight, let us remember that this stage is more than just a platform for performance. It's a symbol of dreams pursued, of talents nurtured, and of a culture that values integral development in all its forms. I take this opportunity for this wonderful performance of Nrita 2026, all those who are responsible. Let us put our hands together for the leadership, Father Lijo, Father Justin, and all the coordinators of Christ University Levasa campus for giving a wonderful platform for Christites for this perfect formation of dancers. Let's also congratulate Mr. Bharat, the choreographer, Miss Pretty, Mr. Jake, and student coordinators, Mr. Valsal, Miss Lojana. Can give a round of applause. Christites, your SW volunteers also coordinated everything. Congratulations. Give a another big round of applause to all the SW volunteers. As we are coming to an end of Nrita 2026, Christ University's commitment to integral formation of our students, I want to speak again and again, the integral formation through cultural excellence. Wish you all the best. Once more, congratulations to all the performers who are just waiting for the final show. Congratulations and good night.
Thank you so much, Father, for inspiring words. It was very beautiful how you conveyed that integral development is actually compared with the cultural performance. And now, we arrive at the final moment of this entire evening that has been leading to. Every performance you have witnessed here, every step taken on this stage has been building to this. Because what follows is not just another performance. It is where everything comes together. The energy, the precision, the passion, all converging for one final expression, one final moment on the stage. So get ready for the final surge of energy as we bring Nrita to its closing moment. Let's welcome the finale performers.
रांझा रांझा कर दी वे मैं अब रांझा होई रांझा रांझा सपने मैनू ही ना को कोई
ओ रांझा रांझा ना कर हीरे जग बदनामी होए पत्ती पत्ती झर जावे पर खुशबू चुप ना होए हटती नहीं सोते सोते बोलता हूँ कभी बोलते बोलते सोता हूँ क्या जाने क्या होता है कभी जलती आग डडोलता हूँ एक बार तो आके देखे वो भी
रांझा रांझा कर दी वे मैं अब रांझा होई रांझा रांझा सपने मैनू ही ना को कोई
ओ रांझा रांझा ना कर हीरे जग बदनामी होए पत्ती पत्ती झर जावे पर खुशबू चुप ना होए
Good girls like to party like the bad ones. Drop it down, shawty, let me bag some. Good girls like to party like the bad ones. Drop it down, shawty, let me bag some. Good girls.
दुनिया दी सुन दी ना बहरी जवानी मस्ती च मस्ताई जहरी
मैंने तो तेरे नाल नचना मैंने तो तेरे नाल नचना मैंने तो तेरे नाल नचना मैंने तो तेरे नाल नचना
Why don't we look out for each other when the sun goes down? Say you won't surrender when the sirens sound. Yeah, run like the city's gonna burn if we slow down now. Kiss me like we might not make it when the lights go out.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are not ready for this.
ਨਾ ਦੇ ਦਿਲ ਪਰਦੇਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਿਤ ਦਾ ਰੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਨਾ ਦੇ ਦਿਲ ਪਰਦੇਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਿਤ ਦਾ ਰੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਨਾਲ ਰੰਜੇਟੇ ਜੋਗੀ ਦੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਜੋਗਣ ਹੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ
Get ready.
I'm a king, but I pop, I'm a saint. They call me a bad man, that's a fucking good thing. Mama said swing back when another man swings, so I make my mama proud and they make their heads ring. Father, forgive me, I can't forgive them. You know my history, know what I did then. Know what I do now, a whole lot worse. Heavy is the head, it's a blessing and a curse.
ਦਿਲ ਪਰਦੇਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਿਤ ਦਾ ਰੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਨਾਲ ਰੰਜੇਟੇ ਜੋਗੀ ਦੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਜੋਗਣ ਹੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ
They call me a bad man, that's a good thing. Mama said swing back when another man swings, so I make my mama proud and they make their heads ring. Heavy is the head, heavy is the head, heavy is the head. It's a blessing and a curse. Heavy is the head, heavy is the head, heavy is the head. I'ma make it work. Heavy is the head, heavy is the head, heavy is the head. Hit 'em where it hurts.
बजने ते धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी खड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली अरे बजने ते धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी खड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली बजने दे धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी खड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो बड़ी चली है जो थी चिंगारी छोटी चिंगारी बड़ी 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 है मन की अलमारी आज अलमारी हुई सतरंगी साली सतरंगी हुई सतरंगी थी जो ये रात काली ए भड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली धड़क धड़क भंडारा छिड़क छिड़क मल्हारी धड़क धड़क भड़क थली चटक मटक फटक थली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली बजने थे धड़क धड़क ढोलता से धड़क धड़क भंडारा छिड़क छिड़क मल्हारी धड़क धड़क भड़क थली चटक मटक फटक थली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली
That was a truly fitting conclusion to this evening.
So much effort, time, and dedication have gone into bringing this to life. And it's only right that we take a moment to acknowledge it.
And for that, we now invite our heads of heads, each committee's dedicated heads and subheads, our choreographers, and every single member that has put their heart and soul into this event and the Student Welfare Office to deliver the vote of thanks.
We now invite our head of heads, Mr. Vatsal Sharma and Ms. Lochna Hegde, onto the stage to deliver the vote of thanks. I also request all the dancers to be up on stage right now.
Good evening, everyone. It is my absolute honor to stand before you today and deliver the vote of thanks for a night that has been nothing short of extraordinary. I would like to take a moment to acknowledge and extend my deepest gratitude to the esteemed dignitaries whose presence truly elevates this occasion. Our esteemed Vice Chancellor, Father Joseph Sisi, respected Director and Dean, Dr. Father Lejo Thomas, our Academic Coordinator, Father Justin P. Verghese, our esteemed Heads of Department, our SW Officer, Ms. Pretty Jane, our Deputy SW Officer, Ms. Jake S. Thomas, our Dance Faculty Coordinator, Mr. Bharat A. Manoj, all SW faculty coordinators, respected teachers, SW members, and heads. A special thank you to Ms. Anusha ma'am, Ms. Archita ma'am, and Ms. Anjali ma'am for their incredible choreography and for bringing every performance on the stage to life. Nrita is not just an event. Nrita is a dancer's home, full of emotion, exhaustion, and passion. Tonight is a reflection of countless hours of practice, silent struggles, loud laughter, and an unbreakable spirit. Before anything else, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our institution for consistently believing in student-led initiatives and providing a platform where art can truly thrive. To our dance committee, this is your moment. Your discipline, your fire, your ability to transform a stage into a story, this is what Nrita stands for. To the music committee, thank you for contributing your rhythm and energy to Nrita. To the theatre committee, thank you for bringing your creativity and presence to this production. Thank you, stage and technical team, for bringing life to every event with your efforts and hard work. To the Debate Society, thank you for your support and contribution in making this event come together seamlessly. To the Literary and Oratory Committee, thank you for your words, your narration, and for giving voice to this amazing evening. Pretty Ma'am, Jake Ma'am, and Bharat Sir, thank you for your constant guidance, your unwavering support throughout the entire year. Your encouragement, trust, and direction helped us navigate every challenge with confidence. You've always been there to guide us when we needed it the most, and I'm truly grateful for that. Your presence has played a huge role in shaping this journey. Personally, this moment means more to me than I can truly put into words. 4 years in the Student Welfare Office have shaped me and who I am today. It has been a journey of growth, of learning, of falling and rising again, and finding a family in the most unexpected places. And today, standing here for my last Nrita, it feels unreal. Nrita has never just been about dancing for me. It has been about the people that I stood beside during practices, the chaos backstage, the quiet moments before stepping onto the stage, and the overwhelming feeling of being part of something bigger than myself. This stage holds pieces of my journey, of my memories, and of every version of me that grew through these years. And while this may be my last Nrita, it's a memory I will carry with me for a lifetime. Before I conclude my part, I would like to pass the mic to my co-head, Mr. Vatsal Sharma. Vatsal, thank you for being my constant through this entire journey. You've handled the chaos, the pressure, and everything in between so effortlessly, and in doing so, you've allowed me to perform my heart out today. Thank you for keeping me grounded, for keeping me sane, and for being the kind of teammate everyone hopes to have, but very few are lucky enough to find.
Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. I want to start by thanking you for being the part of Nrita. This stage, this energy, and this entire experience are something that stays with you long after the event ends. Starting, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to the hospitality and operations team. Your efforts in managing the crowd, taking care for refreshments, and ensuring the well-being of the dancers through long, sleepless hours have been truly commendable. You guys are the glue that hold us all together. To the Finance and Sponsorship Committee, thank you for planning the structure, the budget that made this entire event possible. To the PR and marketing team, thank you for your ideas and promotions and for building the excitement that brought all of us here today. To the media team and the CDL team, thank you so much for capturing and covering every moment of Nrita, from performances to behind the scenes, creating memories that we can relive again and again. To records and documentation team, you deserve our gratitude for meticulously documenting every detail and preserving our work with precision. To the Fashion and Art Committee, thank you for bringing life to this stage through your decor and for helping our dancers look their absolute best. A huge thank you to Datta sir, Ali sir, Javed sir, Sandeep sir, Appu sir, Keshav sir, Suresh sir, Charlotte ma'am, and the entire IT team, along with all our technical faculty, for ensuring that every sound, every line, and every transition came together seamlessly. I would also like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the faculties who danced today for Nrita. I would also like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our cultural secretaries, Ronit and Harshita, for their constant guidance, trust, and for giving us the platform to create something as beautiful as Nrita. Personally, this journey has been incredibly meaningful to me. For 3 years, I was the part of hospitality team, learning, growing, and understanding what it truly takes to make an event come together. From being someone who was just figuring out things to standing here as head of heads today, it truly feels like everything has come full of circle. But more than the roles and responsibilities and titles, it's the people who made this journey unforgettable. To Pariska, Rachel, Nandini, and Aditya, thank you guys for being my constant through these 3 years. Even when you weren't a part of SW, you were always there for me. Kumud, you have not been only head for me. You supported me whenever inside SW, outside SW, and I'm truly grateful. It makes me so happy that even after graduating, you are here today to witness this moment. And to Adik, Tushar, Riddhiman, Nandita Di, Tanushri and Aishwarya, thank you for being my constant support system, for being the people who held me together whenever things felt like they were falling apart. Somil, meeting you this year was unexpected, but you became such an important part of my journey. Thank you for constantly motivating me and standing by me throughout everything. Finally, to Lochna, my co-head, this journey wouldn't have been same without you. Thank you for being my constant, for sharing every responsibility, every challenge, and every moment that made this so special. As this chapter comes to an end, we realize that SW was never just a place. It became a home. A home that gave us people, memories, and a version of myself. I'm truly proud of. This journey is not easy because I'm not just leaving a position, I'm leaving behind a part of my life that shaped me in ways I'll carry forever. But we know one thing for sure, this may be end of our tenure, but it will never be the end of our connection with this family. With that, we come to end of this beautiful evening. Thank you everyone for being the part of Nritta. This is Vatsal Sharma.
And this is Lochna Hegde,
Signing off.
When I say let's go, you say SW. Let's go! SW!